So here I am using the analog and digital clock from the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. I would use this when teaching Grade 1 Mathematics, Domain Measurement and Data, Standard 3, Tell and Write Time in Hours and Half Hours using analog and digital clocks. This would be a great way for students to practice telling time. They can manipulate the analog clock, and the digital clock will tell them what time it says. So a student can say, okay, I want to know what time this is, say 12:30. So they move the hands of the analog clock, and the digital clock tells them exactly what time that is. It also works the other way around. The student can say, okay, I want to see what 2:30 looks like. They move the time to 2:30, and then they can see on the analog clock what that looks like. You can also turn off clock linking. Using this feature, I might move the hands of the analog clock and ask the student to tell me what time it is on the digital clock. So I'd say, okay, move it to 1:45 and have the student show me on the digital clock what that is. They'd move it to 1:45. I could also give them a time on the digital clock, maybe 10:45, and ask them to move it on the analog clock. So they would move it to 10:45.